High in the mountains, where the trees whispered in the wind and stars blanketed the night sky, there lived a tent named Toby. Toby wasn't just any tent. He was old but sturdy, patched in a few places, with zippers that jingled like little bells. He belonged to a group of young campers who came every summer, and every summer, Toby stood tall to keep them warm and dry. Though he couldn't speak, Toby listened. He remembered every laugh, every story told by flashlight, and every whispered secret shared beneath his canvas. One year, a storm rolled in, faster and stronger than anyone expected. The wind howled, the trees swayed, and the campers, huddled inside Toby, looked frightened. "Will we be okay?" one of the children asked, her voice shaking. Toby didn't answer with words, but he did what he always did. He held firm. Rain pounded his roof, and wind tugged at his ropes, but Toby stayed grounded, using every stitch, every pole, and every bit of strength to protect the campers. At one point, a loud crack echoed through the forest. A branch had snapped and fallen nearby. Inside, the campers gasped, but Toby didn't move, not even an inch. By morning, the storm had passed. The sun peeked through the trees, and the campers stepped outside, safe and amazed. "You did it, Toby," said one of them, hugging the tent side. "You kept us safe." That summer, they cleaned and repaired Toby with even more care. They patched a tear, polished his stakes, and added a little flag on top that read, "Trusty Toby, always there." And every time new campers came, they heard the story of the loyal tent who never gave up, who stood strong through the fiercest storm, just to protect the ones inside. Because true loyalty doesn't need to speak. It just stands with you, no matter what.